Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change server name on Discord. Firstly guys, go on your left upper side on the three dots, and here you need to find the server that you want to change his name. For example, this one, type on the name on the server and then select the third selection that says settings. Now, as you can see on the settings bar, you have also a lot of options, but you need to choose the first selection that says overview. Click on overview. Now, as you can see on the first side, here it is, the name of the server. What I need to do, just simply click on it and I will change it just to this one. And now what I need to do, go down on your blue side save button, click on it, and as you can see the server setting has been updated. Get back, and now guys, as you can see, we have changed the server name. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.